Welcome to the Belching Fart Podcast.
Ohio gozaimasu! It is me, the Native American ERP Lapa. I am here from my tribe. I am ready to roam the great plains of the Dust Bowl and the Ohio. And while I lead my tribe to greatness with my ERP Lapa abilities, I will become the greatest chief. I will pass onto the spirit realm with my Native American prowess and my ability to love and lead.
But what kind of life have you been going on lately?
I can't speak white, I can't speak black, I can't speak furry. All I can speak is roleplay. I didn't understand you.
Even tongue slow? What? Kind of role play have you been doing lately?
I've been doing a lot of that fucking roleplay with that fucking ERP. Stands for erotic roleplay. Try to get my dick inside that Pokemon. Try to get my dick inside that Vulpix. Wait, my dick inside that Magnemite. All I fucking do is ERP Pokemon trainers. Misty, Brock, Ash, all of them to suck my dick in the ERP world. That's how I lead my Native American tribe. The greatness is because I fuck Pokemon in my roleplay world. When I fucking mash that shit, when I get that papaya cactus and I munch on that shit, I get a greater high than I ever could have with normal weed. I don't have weed, I have cactuses. That's what I fucking do. When I want to reach my fucking spirit realm, when I want to fucking line my Buddha chi, I want to fucking blast the Native American world. I want to become one with fucking nature. I want to go full fucking Pocahontas. No fucking added preservatives. No fucking GMOs. You walk through this door with the fucking ERP Native American chief. That's what you fucking get. Is you get the full, wholesome, organic roleplay experience. No added shit. I don't put on the voice modifier. I don't put on the voice modifier. I don't do shit. I don't fucking change the text. It's all black. It's all real. It's all raw. When you come to the Native American chief, because I know about the raw shit. I don't care about fucking GMOs. I don't care about preservatives. I just real raw shit. You get me, and you get unadulterated characterization.
But what does Pokemon eat? What do you eat as an ERP?
Semen! Pokemon eat semen! They eat Native American Indian cooked semen! Cock and balls! Cock and balls for dessert! Then our taint! Our licky taint! That's what they do! I don't even call Pokemon anymore! I call them taint lickers!
You can produce enough semen in one day to feed a Pokemon properly. Are you concerned about the animal abuse allegations facing your corporation?
Listen, buddy, when you're a Native American like I am, you can tell by my original accent that I am a Native American through and through. My red skin can be seen from fucking space. The only man-made skin seeable from space. You see this, you know that I do not care about the animal. I skin the animal, I eat the animal, I kill the animal, I rape the animal, I take the animal from its natural home, and I turn it inside out. I squeeze and shout, I pop and pout, and I pout, so I get my fucking animal skin turn into a fucking Gucci leather jacket walking down the street. All the blacks, they say, no, You can't wear that. You can't wear buffalo hide. You can't wear fox hide. You can't even wear a fucking squirrel nowadays. I don't even know what the fuck you're talking about. This is animal abuse. This is animal abuse. I'll tell you what's animal abuse. Not letting me fucking roleplay with underage minors. They're the ones coming to me. They're the ones who want to roleplay. I'm not seeking them out. But when I get a fucking twink, soda, Caucasian, black bitch who I want to fuck as a Pokemon, who I want to fuck as Lickitung, I want to wrap my tongue right around that little boy's asshole. When I want to do that, the cops can't come to me because I'm fucking Native American. It's what I'm about.
LARPing on some sort of Indian reservation located somewhere. Where's your reservation?
All my Let's Plays are haunted. All my role plays are haunted. All of my interactions online are haunted. If you see me, I'm cursed. If you see the Native American chief, you know that I'm haunted. You know that I see the schools, I see the ghouls. On top of me, right now is God, and below me is God's children, all slain with my roleplay prowess. When you're with me, you don't get normal roleplays. You get the real shit. You get the raw shit. And by raw, I mean death, because death is the real shit you will.
You will die. You will not have infinite life. There will never be a technology that will make you live forever. You will die. If you're listening to this podcast, regardless of however rich you are or how powerful you are right now, you will die.
And that's why that's real shit. That's the kind of shit I bring to my fucking roleplays. I bring it to my roleplays day in, day out. My eroticism and my seduction, my master of human social connection that I exhibit through my role plays. I bring that shit so you don't have to worry about dying, because all you have to do for the time you're alive, the short 80 or less years that you're alive, you can role play with me pretending to be a fictional creature that doesn't exist and fucking like Pokemon!
Well, that was a very nice story. I don't know how I feel about the death of a 370-year-old man. I find some holes in your hypothesis, however. I am always enthusiastic to hear the opinions of young people. How old are you, Mr. ERP?
I'm 30 years old. I graduated top of my class, University of Phoenix, Arizona. I got a master's degree in architecture, but it didn't pan out. My parents, they didn't give me enough money for college, and so I had to work my second year onward. And that destroyed me, that destroyed my soul. The only way that I could get through the day was ERPing. If I could work, I would work every day. Then I would work my master's overnight. The only solace I could find, those brief 4 hours that I had in this waking world, was to ERP pretending that I was a Magnemite. And sticking my Magnemite penis, aka the magnets, into a vulva. And stimulating clitorises with my magnet. That was the only way I could remember that I was alive after going to the University of Phoenix, Arizona to get my architecture degree.
Did you find a connection to Magnemite genderless, confused faceless?
I'm the gender fluid Native American chief. I'm gender fluid.